So guys, my grandfather.
Why you put your grandfather on it? Don't put him on it.
Oh, why I can't put my grandfather? So my grandfather here.
Some permission. You know, so I put up on our Blackbird.
It's not a blog, it's YouTube, mommy.
I put up on our YouTube blog.
Grandfather, how much? You how much again, grandfather?
70.
70, and my grandfather still at work. Look on him, look how him at.
We don't want to sit down. You want to sit down at the shop and the shop made that sit down. We soon come here and buy some paint for the
place.
Yeah.
Alright.
Suppose I bring some sheep come from the town.
Yeah.
We soon come and let them have one.
Yeah.
Yes, so guys, my grandfather made a go because I don't know. So.
I want a camera put for me like girl.
The sun, I don't know if you can see me because the sun kind of hot. Summer come, anytime hot bad.
Summer there every day in Jamaica about summer come.
Summer is not every day in Jamaica, man. The time that's extra hot, you know. Yes, so I'm going to talk to you, go there near to road, like go there at the roadside. So I'll be nice and make so me start back. Me see you in the next clip when my grandfather come back. So me see you when my grandfather come back. If you can't hear me.
How up a patch you fan?
Pat alone.
Hello. Yeah, I live in Canada. And she is here. Oh, I'm so sorry, Jillian. Come meet Jillian. This is my friend from Canada, Jillian. That's Nicola, my other sister, and this is her. See there, her favorite nieces. Okay, one off. Okay, one off. Right, Danny?
Yeah.
So how's everything going, guys?
Fine.
Not bad. Good. Then I put it here, look. You know, then you do my earbud through the time at the take it off. I know the time is hot. I am sweating. I'm hoping that tape with me, you know.
Yes, I am. So guys, this is my auntie. She's from Canada. That's why I'm not here and I'm gonna vlog them. This is my auntie. Isn't she wonderful? Hey.
Especially I put for him, I tell him that that grandfather is 70-year-old and he's still working.
Yeah, it's true. 65, you don't work again now. That's why I'm telling you, I need it.
Yeah. This is what's up. I won't want to put up this somewhere, you know. How many? No, start now, then here.
Hello, miss.
You could go way up the road.
They come cut it in 12 months.
She's some female money we to herself. You want to bust up the one shade that underneath this, sir. One shade that they don't hear, sir. She's some kind of money we to herself. Nothing when we did in a primary school, we did like a walk, go up the way up the road. Anyways, today is Sunday. And we did a video before this, but no, we never get a really good footage. Hi, bro. We never get a good footage, so that's why I just stop it there, so. But today I think one family fun day, something I keep Hope Gardens. I keep at Hope Gardens, so I'm gonna go there, we'll just get something to eat now. We'll just get something to eat now. So me soon when I don't eat because I'm hungry bad. Because my mother decide to cook and I give me no food. So
What about sir? One slice of that.
bro, I'm hungry. You see if I didn't give you the food you would have hungry bad. So why am I flash on? Yeah, so we finally reached Hope Garden now, and I never know so much people that gonna come, but obviously I was wrong. Lexi and Brew. Lexi changed for her church clothes, they make her know the schoolgirl they want to take off them clothes, and you know. Say hi to my vlog. I'm gonna see a t-shirt, Lexi.
Little black tea.
Yeah, I'm probably start back when we actually reach inside. I'm probably start back after we reach inside. I'm probably sitting down. She blacky? Black with you? She wicked? Probably reach when we reach inside. And when I'm near, I'm gonna start vlog video back. So yeah.
Yeah, with her?
Mother vlog. Bye. I can't throw what this doing now.
Come on, that's all right.
Okay. Isha, I love when I dance. Wait, no, you. So we name it there. So are you still away the back while you're doing my vlog?
No, when the car come inside, you know. You can't park. When the car come inside.
Can I take a picture? Yo, nobody coming.
Girl, you know long without us to stand up?
Alright, it's safe.
You can't say something to my vlog.
Oh, this.
Picture with this shirt.